5 best free chess applications for Android. So if you are a beginner and if you want to learn chess or play chess, then here are the 5 best free chess applications for Android. So the first one is the chess itself. So what you can do is first open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, go for the search and search for chess, and here you will have the chess application, right? So this is the first chess application or the first application which you can play. So here you can see that you will have this kind of interface under your chess application. If you go for the reviews, you will also have the best reviews for this application. So this is the first application. If you're a beginner, you will have the beginner mode and the intermediate and the hard mode. So you can install this application and play the chess. Or the second application is Mate N1. Search for that, and here you will have Mate N1 chess puzzles. So this application is also good for playing chess. It will have high quality exercises, and you will have the graphic hints, and you will also have the refutations of your bad moves, which will be easy for you to play. And it will have the digital visual display of progress, and it will have the detailed contents, and you can also have the test mode to check your knowledge. So this is also the best application to play chess. And the third application is Play Magnus. Once you search for Play Magnus, here this is the application. So in this application, you will have the fun way to learn and improve your chess. You will have a mentor, and you can learn by playing. So this is suitable for all ages and levels, from beginner to advanced. You will have beginner, which is new to chess, easy, medium, and hard. So you can also get some feedback from your coach, and you can unlock your new chess skills with quick and challenging mini games. You can also become a tactics beast. You can also challenge your master to play the game, and you can also see the reviews here on the bottom. This is more like a academy. You will have the teacher approved application. So this is also the best application. And the fourth application is Chess Clash Play Online. And here you will have your chess clash, right? So this is online and offline. It is suitable for both. And here you will have a play with friends option, where you can enjoy the 2 game modes, which is quick mode and a classic mode. And you can compete around the whole world, and you can collect all of the chess pieces, and you will have the coins, you will have the timer. So this is also the best application to play chess. And the last and the fifth application is Really Bad Chess. Here you will have your Really Bad Chess. So this is the fifth application. Really Bad Chess is the chess with totally random pieces. So this is the application where the worst players can also play the chess. Like, this is for everyone who quit playing chess and everyone who loves playing chess. So you can compete with your friends in weekly or daily challenges. And for Chess Pro or newers, it's a whole new way to play the chess. So you can also see the reviews, and you will have a pretty good reviews. So this is also an application to play chess. So these were the applications to play the chess for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.